In this session, I will demonstrate tapping to address the fear of being wealthy. Step 1. I state the problem. I have a fear of being wealthy. Step 2. I state how it makes me feel. I rate the intensity. I have a tightness in my stomach. I rate the intensity at a 9 out of possible 10 points. Step 3. Now I perform the setup statement while tapping the karate point 3 times. This is the karate chop point. Even though I have this fear of being wealthy, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear of being wealthy, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear of being wealthy, I deeply and completely accept myself. Step 4. Round 1. Now I process through the tapping points. This fear of being wealthy, 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 this fear of being wealthy. Step 5. Round 2. Now I process through the tapping points a second time. It is okay to say whatever comes to mind about the problem. I know money brings security. Maybe it's the responsibility. Perhaps it's the fear that my friends will use me. Or the fear of additional responsibilities. This fear of being wealthy. This fear of responsibility. This fear of being rewarded with money. This fear of being wealthy. Step 6. Round 3 tapping points. This fear of being wealthy. What if I am wealthy? What if I can have someone help me manage the money? This fear of wealth. The responsibility doesn't have to be mine. This fear of wealth. My work is worth lots of money, and I can control money decisions. Step 8. Now I rate this intensity from a scale of 1 to 10. In this case, I rate the intensity after the exercise as a 3. So I will process through the script again, but in step number 3, I will change the setup statement to be, even though I have this remaining fear of wealth, I deeply and completely accept myself. I rate the feeling a 3.